Thank you for watching Syrian Eats. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Turn your notifications on so you can get the latest recipes. Our recipe today is a super moist chocolate chip banana bread. I'm going to show you all the steps to make this. It's super easy and super delicious. Let's get started. Start out by preheating your oven to 350 degrees and adding 3 ripe bananas to your bowl. With the whisk attachment on, blend the bananas until they are a puree to a chunky form. Then add half a cup of unsalted melted butter. The butter is going to keep this banana bread super moist. Now I'm adding 1 cup of granulated sugar. Blend them well together. Then add 2 large eggs. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I was running a little low, but you will need 2 teaspoons for this recipe. Now I'm adding half a cup of vanilla yogurt. I feel like the vanilla pairs well with the banana bread, but you can definitely use plain yogurt or even sour cream instead. Now we're done with our wet ingredients. We're going to start with our dry ingredients. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour and then blend well for about 3 minutes. Then add half a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and then we're also going to add a little bit more on the top before we bake it. Spray or grease your loaf pan and add your batter to it. Make sure you spread your batter evenly and then top it off with some more chocolate chips into a 350 degree oven for 55 minutes or until your knife comes out clean.